Hello, hello, my name is Carla, and today we're going to pick an animal card and see what we get. Coyote, revealer of truth. Don't take things too seriously, make time to play. Great wisdom comes from laughing at your own folly. Look out for the traps and tricks of life and learn from them. Good advice. And which item has our quotes today? Let's pick this box. The way someone fits you into their schedule says a lot about what they think of you. It's okay to say no and walk away, cancel plans, love yourself, take a break, change your mind, be true to yourself. A positive attitude gives you power over your circumstances instead of your circumstances having power over you. Peace is found in acceptance. Accept imperfection, accept uncertainty, and accept uncontrollable. And the last one today. Don't lose the spark that makes you you. Absolutely. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.